In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to time stretch sound in Soundation. By the end, you'll know how to change the length of an audio clip without ruining its character, and when to use time stretch versus pitch stretch so your edits sound intentional and musical. Let's start with the hands-on part. In Soundation, grab the time stretch tool. You'll recognize it by the clock and waveform icon, and there's a quick shortcut too. Press the number 3 on your keyboard. This switches your cursor into stretch mode so you're ready to reshape the audio instead of moving it. With the tool active, move your cursor to the start or end of the audio clip. When you see a double-sided arrow appear, click and drag horizontally. Pulling outward makes the clip longer, pushing inward makes it shorter. You're not trimming anything here, you're rescaling time. Keep an eye on the grid to line up the new length with bars or beats. If the goal is to match a specific tempo or hit a cue, drag until the clip snaps neatly to the desired measure. Take it slow and listen as you go. Small adjustments often sound cleaner than extreme stretches in a single pass. If the sound quality isn't quite right after stretching, don't worry. Soundation offers different algorithms for different kinds of material. Right-click the clip and look for stretch mode. You'll see options like drums, sound, and others. Drums is designed to keep sharp transients crisp, which is great for beats and percussive loops. Sound is a more general option that can work well on sustained instruments and textures. Try switching modes and auditioning the results. You're listening for clarity, minimal warbling, and a natural feel that matches the source. Now let's clarify an important concept. Time stretch versus pitch stretch, sometimes called repitch. Time stretching is perfect when you want to change duration but keep pitch the same. Think vocals, melodies, or instruments where the key must remain intact. For example, you can make a vocal phrase last an extra bar without making the voice sound deeper or higher. Pitch stretch or repitch ties pitch to time. When you slow a clip down, it also drops in pitch. Speed it up, and it rises. This is often a musical choice for rhythmic loops like drum breaks, where the tonal shift is part of the vibe. Use it when you want that classic slowed down grit or sped up sparkle. That's it. Select the time stretch tool, drag the clip's edge, switch stretch mode if needed, and choose time stretch or repitch based on your creative goal. Happy producing.